Hi everybody, I'm back with another haul. It's feast or famine. I don't do a haul for a couple months almost, and then here you go. But I want to tell you, okay, this clay and these little tchotchkes, which I'll show you, I got for my faux food. And Cindy from Peep This Y'all told me about this. And what a great deal for anyone that does faux food. And this is from Play Code 3 LLC. Hiding my address. But if you go online and just put that in, and they have all kinds of stuff. So thank you, Cindy. And this is all air-dried clay. And there's two big things. This is squished down, but there's two big things of air-dried clay in here. And this was, the clay was, let me see. Oh, it doesn't tell me. I think it was $16.99, but I'm not sure. I don't want to tell you that and be wrong, but it was inexpensive. It wasn't real expensive. And I thought, man, this is a great deal. So I'm going to try this out. I haven't tried it yet, but when I do, I'll bring you with me. And then I got from there these fake ice cubes to go with my drinks that I'll make. And then, oh, this is a little gift they gave. So it's just a few little candies, and this is gummy bear, little package of gummy bear, and some flowers. Yeah, Play Code 3. So look at that. And they send you a little note. Hi, Daveda, thank you so much. I thought that was sweet. And then they send you a little, your gift. Isn't that cute? And then this is fake sprinkles, like sugar. And I thought it had all the prices, but it doesn't, and I don't remember it. But it was only like, I think these were like $2.99, but look at these sprinkles for Christmas, for cakes and cupcakes. Look at the little tiny peppermint, and then the green and red and white. And then for fall, look at these. Now I make these as well, but sometimes it's nice just to have some so you don't have to worry if you don't have the right colors. And then here is another Christmas without the peppermint. So, yep, I got that from that Play Code 3. So thank you again, Cindy, for letting me know about that. Appreciate it. Then, at Hobby Lobby, they had these are for the lawn, but I'm not going to use it for that. This is going to go on a wreath. The Mackenzie Child this year has, one of their wreaths are the ladybugs. Really cute. And I'm only going to put one of these big ones, and then I'll make some out of clay. And this was normally $5.99, 40% off. And then this bee, look how cute, was $5.99 as well, and I'll put that on a wreath. Look how cute. And then I just got a couple of new flags, and I got the ladybug. Isn't that cute? And this was normally $9.99, 40% off. But look at the colors, how vibrant. I thought that was really pretty. And then I got, look at, isn't that cute? The little gnome. I thought that was so cute. I'll put him in the front, probably in the front, by the front door. Then there was a huge clearance on acrylic paint. And you better believe I jumped on it. Because with my faux food and just my crafts, you know, you use a lot of colors. So this deco art satin, they took off the regular price, but this one I think was like $1.89 or something. Well, 47 cents. 47 cents. So I got a couple of the white. This is a wonderful black paint, the high gloss, and it's called Patent Leather. I love this. And this was regularly $2.99, 74 cents. Love this. Then they had, this was regular $1.79, now 44 cents. The Deco Art Americana, the coffee bean. I mean, good paints. Very nice paints. Then these, I've never used these, and I'll be honest with you, I never saw them. You guys, $4.99, $1.24 on clearance. Now this one, okay, what it says, let me see if I got a different one too in the pink. Shoot, it's on here too, dang it. I want to see how to apply generously with foam or silicone brush to surface. I can't get the rest off. Anyway, let's see. I'm curious about this. Okay, so it comes, oh, it's like, look, the little pieces, look, they literally, that's why you spread it out and it has these little pieces on it. Well, that's cool. That'd be cool to do a frame in, a wooden frame, you guys. So I got it in, this is folk art, and it's called Glitterific Polka Dot. Can't hardly read that. Anyway, so these two colors, and I know I got a couple more, and I think I got, yeah, I got purple and gold. Well, it's not really just gold. It's more, well, it's got gold in it, but it almost looks like an opal, if you will. And then this purple is just like a regular, but then those little things inside of it make it look like different colors. That's pretty cool. Okay, and then I got some regular, the Delta Ceramic Coat Satin Black, because I use this a lot. And this one was $1.89, 47 cents. Very, very much worth it. And then I got a couple cream, $1.89 normally, 47 cents. And this is ivory. And the Americana Chartreuse, and this one's neon yellow. This is Decor Art Patio Paint. A little bit different. This is a little bit more like very, very bright, where this one has a little bit of green in it. Well, actually it is green, but that will go good for And then this purple, 47 cents. That's a pretty purple, isn't it? And then a pink, again 47 cents. This is shocking pink. And then, look at this one, 34 cents. The Deckwart Americana, the Razzleberry. And then two more. When it's this price, you got to get it. I mean, you, I don't normally see these for 34 and 47. And then this wood is Rookwood Red. It's kind of a brick red. And then the Gentle Heather. It's like a lavender, and that's the Deckwart, 34 cents. So guys, that's what this haul is all about. Paints, flags, and this. I'm really curious to use this. So, there you go. Go down to Hobby Lobby. They should still have some of this paint. Call first if that's the only thing you're going for and ask them. But I did want to share that with you. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon.